Imagine it's a Sunday morning and you're about to do some cleaning around your home. By then, you'll be looking for a vacuum that will save you time and effort by delivering incredibly efficient results. Well, the stick vacuum cleaner is the name that will pick up the slack. Though different vacuums come with different features, a stick vacuum conveys advantageous aspects with standout portability to make your home cleaning easier. However, an eligible stick vacuum cleaner will eliminate all your cleaning issues in the tough and high areas at home. So, in today's video, we will show you the 7 best stick vacuum cleaners which have amazing portability, super suction power, and substantial runtime. So, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Get an ultimate cleaning solution with the Eureka Stylus, a cordless stick vacuum cleaner that's easy to operate and effective on hard floors and carpets. This vacuum equips a high-efficient 350-watt BLDC motor that delivers a powerful suction capability to pick up small and large particles from every surface type. Packed with a 25.2-volt long-lasting lithium-ion battery, it allows you to continuously clean up to 45 minutes, while the 3 cleaning modes ensure effective cleaning of the rug and carpets. Weighing at only 6.4 pounds and having a flat lay design, this stick vacuum easily reaches under furniture and high corners, meaning you'll get the maximum convenience of whole home cleaning. Besides, it features a built-in LED light that illuminates the low-light cleaning areas, so your tiny dust and debris will be hidden no more. In short, this lightweight cordless stick vacuum will ensure you absolute convenience with its powerful dust suction capabilities and comfortable design to meet all your cleaning needs. Next up, check out the BLACK+DECKER BSV2020G, the most affordable cordless stick vacuum with renowned brand value and good cleaning systems to handle all your hot surfaces. Powered by the 20-volt max lithium-ion power connect battery system, this cordless stick vacuum delivers up to 55 minutes of runtime to get all your wide range of cleaning tasks done. With a powerful suction motor and angle floor head design, it offers you 3-speed control to remove dust and debris from your hot surfaces, area rugs, and carpets. Plus, you can easily convert it to a hand vacuum in order to clean your stairs, furniture, and other hard-to-reach areas with ease. Also, it has a removable front-facing 0.65-liter dustbin which comes off in seconds. So, if you're seeking an effective cordless stick vacuum at an affordable price tag, this BSV2020G will be the perfect choice for you. Powerful and durable, meet the LG CallZero A97MS, an advanced lightweight stick vacuum cleaner that has a standout runtime and heavy-duty suction power. Running on 2 rechargeable detachable quick-release batteries, this stick vacuum lets you have up to 80 minutes of uninterrupted cleaning for your larger home. Plus, it features a smart inverter motor with a huge consumption power of 400 watts and super suction power of 140 watts, making it an eligible one for all your surfaces from tile to carpet. This stick vacuum has a washable cyclone and filters, which offers a 5-step filtration system, while the 0.4-liter dust tank capacity ensures the maximum convenience while cleaning. Apart from that, it comes with an adjustable telescopic wand that provides you extra flexibility to work in tight and high places. Providing standout suction power and substantial runtime, this stick vacuum outshines itself as a perfect machine for your large home cleanings. Do all kinds of home cleaning with the Teneco A11 Hero, a portable handheld vacuum that provides deep cleaning for carpets and has a large dust capacity for ultimate convenience. Equipped with a high-efficient 450-watt brushless motor, this stick vacuum cleaner delivers up to 22 kilopascals of suction to ensure a neat and accurate cleaning of your surface. With a high-powered lithium-ion battery, it offers you a standard runtime of up to 40 minutes, which can be extended to 80 minutes by adding an extra battery. Weighing at only 5.3 pounds, this vacuum features 3 power modes for cleaning and a 4-stage filtration system to get the maximum in healthier and better cleaning. Having a large 0.6-liter dustbin capacity, it lets you clean longer with less interruption, while the dustbin can be emptied with a single touch of a button. With a convenient LED light and all these fine features, this Teneco A11 Hero will be the best purchase for you and your family. Have you been facing problems with your old vacuum cleaner? Then here comes the Samsung Jet 90, a cordless lightweight vacuum cleaner with the most intense suction power in its class. Running on 2 high-powered batteries, it lets you do continuous cleaning for 60 minutes, meaning you can clean a wide area of your home without any interruption. It also comes equipped with an efficient brushless motor. With that, the stick vacuum delivers up to 200 heavy-duty suction power air watts for convenient cleaning. Plus, it comes with a turbo action brush that rotates more than 3,700 times with 180-degree swivel flexibility to pick up each microdust while ensuring a complete cleaning of your home. Additionally, it features the 5-step filtration process with a jet cyclone system that pushes the dirt into the large 0.8-liter dustbin. Featuring intense suction power, runtime, filtration process, and other beneficial aspects, this vacuum cleaner will get your home cleaning task done in the breeze with minimal effort and time. Shark is one of the reliable house care brands that has been dominating the field of cleaning tools for a while now. Now, meet its i746 2H Vertex, a cordless stick vacuum with upgraded technology to offer incredible cleaning performance on all your floors. With a powerful removable battery, it will let you run it for up to 60 minutes in standard mode. Also, you'll get the same runtime while using it as a hand vacuum. Plus, it equips an efficient brushless motor that delivers hypervelocity accelerated suction, allowing you to get intensive cleaning performance with minimal time and effort. Furthermore, it features multi-flex technology that allows you to bend the wand to clean under furniture or fold it over for convenient storage. Besides, the vacuum comes with the HEPA filtration system that captures and traps dust, allergens, dander, and more to keep your breathing air safe. To sum up, this Shark IZ46 2H Vertex is a complete package of convenience and has uncountable beneficial features to solve every single cleaning problem in your home. Eliminate all your cleaning issues with the Dyson V15 Detect, the most advanced cordless stick vacuum with the latest technologies and superior versatility to make your home cleaning easier. Equipped with the Dyson Hyperdemium motor that spins up to 125,000 RPM of speed, this vacuum generates the most powerful suction of up to 230 air watts for the fastest and extremely neat cleaning. Packed with an energy-dense battery, it provides up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted runtime, allowing you to clean every single corner around your home. Plus, it also features the root cyclone technology that generates centrifugal forces to trap fine dust and dirt in the bin, meaning your vacuum never loses suction. Moreover, this vacuum also comes with different up-to-date technologies like Dyson DLS and anti-tangle technology to give you the maximum cleaning advantages on different floors. Weighing at only 6.8 pounds, it features a 0.2-liter dust capacity that allows you to use the vacuum for longer cleaning terms without interruption. Overall, if you're fond of upgraded technologies and about to purchase a stick vacuum cleaner for your large home, you must go for the Dyson V15 Detect, which will offer you the best bang for your buck. So, that was a list of the 7 best stick vacuum cleaners just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.